Hey, I'm Matt Eilers, Field Service Manager here at Ice-O-Matic, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the float switch and adjust the float switch in a CIM unit. You're going to start with loosening your two screws on the front of the unit. Lift up on the front door and get it out your way. Lift up on the top panel, just enough to get this out of top plate. Loosen up your C-clamp. Pull your water distribution tube loose from the upper assembly. Little white clip down at the bottom. Lift up on the curtain. Lower curtain assembly, tilted at an angle. Pop one side out. Tuck your gray tubing into the pan. Pull slightly forward, lift up. It'll tilt at an angle. You're going to push it at this angle down into the bin. Turn it sideways, pull it up out of the bin. Get to your float assembly. You're going to grab real tight on both sides. Pull down. Cannot mix and match these wires. So you just unplug all three wires. This is your minimal maximum adjustment. Pushing it up would make the ice thicker. Down would make it thinner. You can do this with it in place without removing all these components, except I'd recommend removing the lower curtain flapper door one because it's in your way. You can lift it up and reach it. So when you're installing your new float switch, it's going to come with a piece of paper in the bag, different for all the different units. Make sure you don't throw the paper away. That is the number on the back of the box. To get to that, you would just pull your clamp on the side, break your box apart. Hold your thermistor or it will fall out. That just turns and pulls out. Depending on the setting of the machine, you will move it to the corresponding number on the back of the box. Push it through, lock it into place. Reassemble your float assembly, just snaps together. Cannot mix and match the three wires. Doesn't matter where they go. Once you got your three wires plugged together, tuck them back up into the machine, lifting your float up into place. Line it up with the square hole in the top of the unit, push up nice and firm. Locks into place. Good, so you're going to take your water trough, go back into the bin. You're going to bring it up over these two clips on either side, into place. Tuck your gray tube in the pan before you try to pull it all the way up. Pull it slightly forward, push down, locks into the back of the unit. Bring your tube back into place. Grab your lower curtain assembly, start with one side, get your pin in place. Grab the other side, pull in on the pin, snaps in. Upper water curtain, bring it in from side. Drops down into place. Water tube, we're gonna grab here, kind of hold it steady. Plug in your coupling, tuck your tubing up into place. Get your C-clamp before you put it onto the water distribution tube. Push your C-clamp into place, tighten it down. Put your top plate in, splash guard. Top panel back down. Put your door back on. You want to push in pretty tight on the top. down.